Hello everyone, welcome back to Challenge Corner, and in this video I will be telling you how you can make YouTube banner for your YouTube channel. And please subscribe to my channel as well because I make videos related to student life challenges. So here's one more challenge, if you are running YouTube channel side by side, then how you can design a YouTube banner. Or if you are doing freelancing and for anyone, if you are designing the YouTube banner, so how you can design it. So first of all, we are just creating here with the create new design, a blank template will appear of the YouTube banner size. And here in the design option, you can see there are various design templates or related to food banner. So we are basically going to design the food banner, and here I have selected the particular size. As you can see, the particular central area which will be visible in all the devices is 1546 by 423. So from the vertical, no, not from the vertical, but from the horizontal line, we will select the grid line to 423. So I'm not getting the exact one, so I have just zoomed it out. And then we will select the element, like the square element you can see here, and we will just adjust this particular size according to this 423 from the end point of this particular rectangular YouTube banner, like from the end point to this 423 particular size, this horizontal grid is there. Okay, we are just selecting it. So we are just adjusting the height of this particular rectangle box to 423 pixel. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are just going to position it in the middle, not from the center. We will choose middle means from the upper height and the lower height, it is in the middle. So we will adjust this particular horizontal grid here and to the bottom, as here you can see. Next we will see the sizes 1523 or 1546, it's like this only. But first of all, let me adjust it here from right and the left. And now we will see the particular size is 423 from this particular rectangle, and you can see it's the desktop size. Now it's 1546, so we will take the vertical grid line now, and we will just adjust it accordingly on our main screen. Like 1546, we will select it like this. We have selected. Now we will be just copying this particular blue rectangle box by duplicating it. Okay, after adjusting it in a particular manner, in a effective manner. So we are just going to duplicate this, we are just copying it. And to change the color, we are just changing it so that we can differentiate between two particular areas. One is for the desktop size and one is for the mobile app size. If we are just showing the YouTube banner in our mobile phones, then how it would be appearing. Now again, I'm just adjusting it here. Now this time we will choose its position to center, not from the middle. So after selecting it like this, we have just got the right idea, and where the desktop side would be and the mobile app side. So this pink area would be visible on all the devices, like in your mobile phone, in your desktop, in your TV as well. This middle side, middle part is the pink part will be available. Now this particular blue part, you can see this blue horizontal part would be the desktop site area, and this whole particular banner would be of TV size banner size. Now we will choose any particular template that we like related to food designing. So restaurant, for particular restaurant we are just designing this banner, so we will select a particular banner. So I am just using normal Canva, it's not upgraded to the premium version. So I will choose the normal template which is available like this. I like this particular banner, but I will modify it according to my particular project. Okay, so now what benefit we will be getting of those grid lines? We would be able to adjust the particular chosen template according to the grid lines, like how we want to show it in this particular area in a desktop area and all these things. So we are just placing the template over these particular grid lines that we made, so that it would be easy for us to understand like which area would be visible in which particular device. So it would be easy enough to means design particular section, and it would look great actually. And after adjusting all these things, we would be making the changes. For example, the image of the girl, I want like there should be logo of particular project on which I am working. So it should be the logo of the restaurant, which would be placed in the center. Okay, so we will position it in the center only. We can use the position tool and all these things. And now just adjusting all the elements related to the text, related to the what we can say, the tagline of this particular project. So my project is of Chatkara Junction, which is a restaurant basically, so I'm just designing it for Chatkara Junction. And after that I will be using the tagline, which is stop, eat and repeat. So I'm just using all these elements, just adjusting it. Now you can see how I'm doing all these things. So I have selected the logo and inserted here in the circular box, and after that I will be adjusting all the text area section and the images that I want in this particular section only, which would be visible on all the devices. And after that we will be working on the background as well. So first just complete these particular section. And the most challenging task that I find is actually selecting the font style, color, and the background, as well as the images that would we would be choosing in the background as well. So I have just selected the color as per the logo, and I will be adjusting the images related to food in the background, so that it would look like, yes, it's a food restaurant banner and like this. So I would be adjusting all these things, and I would give it a shape of a ribbon, like a ribbon coming out. Okay, and now I have selected and adjusted the elements like this. So now we will be downloading this particular image, as it's from the normal version, not from the premium version. So it will get downloaded easily. Just wait, and now it's downloaded. After that you can see how your final design looks like. So it's looking great actually, because this black area would be visible on all the devices and all these things would be like this. I hope this video has helped you a lot, and please subscribe to my channel Challenge Corner.